Kunal, before you start, right, there's a small question that we've been wanting to ask you. There's a very popular saying that of all the directions, South for a non-South Indian is a very interesting place to be in. So, a question to you is, what is the funniest culture shock that you've experienced at your adventures in the mystical South?
Okay, so yes, people might curse me for this, but when we moved to South India, eating with hand was literally a culture shock for me. But now, if you give me a spoon, it'll be difficult for me.
Fantastic. Oh, you'd be like, what is this strange little device that you've given? Fantastic answer, Mr. Kunal. Stage is all yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kunal from Shivami Cloud Services. We are a very purpose-driven company, and the purpose of Shivami is to bring about positive change in the lives of people we connect by offering solutions and services, which brings profit and happiness. I think that's a quote that we live by. Why Shivami is one of the areas that I would like to touch upon, and Shivami is one of the specialized work transformation partners of Google. We are proud to receive 2 awards from Google consecutively in 2019 and 20 as a global partner of the year. With a presence pan India, with Mumbai being our head office, we support more than 10,000 plus customers now in India in across the digital transformation journey that we were hearing since a while now. So yes, we were totally committed to that area, and we are helping more than millions of businesses choose Google Workspace, Google Cloud, and Google Chrome as a solution. More than 6 million businesses have chosen Google Workspace as their partner in digital transformation, and now we are relying on us to help them navigate their current challenge. We are really proud of the breadth and depth of organizations that run their businesses on Google Cloud Platform. Established market leaders like Navi, Razorpay, CreditBee, MoneyTap, Spiker, Nika, and then there are thousands of names that like this that use Google technology to do their digital transformation journey. Uh, we have found that our customers have had an easier transitioning time to a new remote working environment, which was very difficult to even think before the COVID era. But then when COVID happened and suddenly there was a shift to remote working, this solution was really helpful for all the organizations to switch to. Why Google Cloud for BFSI? And I think most of you are waiting to hear this, that how is it relevant for our industry? And that's what I'm going to highlight today, because now more than ever the pace is set by technology disruption, shifting customer expectations and regulatory developments across. In many ways, recent experiences have only accelerated the need to digitally transform. Industry disruptors like fintechs, insurtechs, etc., have are all after the backs of BFSI to re-innovate and rework their whole strategy and digital solutions. Financial services organizations have unique requirements when it comes to security policies, standards around data residency, identity, access control, as well as regulatory and compliance obligations for risk management. And cloud technology presents significant opportunities to help financial institutions standardize in multi-cloud, hybrid cloud environments, streamline tasks related to compliance, governance, improve visibility through analytics, and minimize the complexity with modern collaboration tools, and becoming more agile at the end of the day. Enterprises around the world have chosen Google because of our culture of innovation, and we can help you build this culture in your own organization as well. For example, powerful AI and ML and productivity and collaboration capabilities pose exciting opportunities to evolve businesses productivity and collaboration, allowing employees to stay on top of their task and accomplish more. According to a commissioned total economic impact study conducted by Forrester Consulting, adopting Google Workspace can increase revenue by 1.5%, which is a significant number for any organization. Google Cloud brings the best of Google's innovative product and services to enable enterprises to create new experiences, transform their operations, and launch new products much more faster than ever. Uh, because BFSI industry has seen that drastic shift from a pen and paper world to a digital world where people start using tablets to greet their customer. While whether taking advantage of native integrations like BigQuery, Google Sheets, or leveraging Google innovation across product portfolio in digital assistant, search, maps, voice, enterprise is every industry are innovating using Google technology advances that we embed and integrate in Google Cloud. Lastly, we have brought our singular focus on meeting the needs of users to create industry-specific solutions such as high-performance computing for quantitative research at financial institutions. Financial services companies have chosen Google Cloud for various reasons like AI and ML, because Google is a market leader in AI and ML capabilities. With a one Google technology, Google provides a variety of solution for customers to look at from just one place, right? So Google is an industry leader in AI and ML, and Google Cloud sets the standards for AI and ML among cloud providers. To start, Google democratized a lot of their AI and ML to unlock organizations with wide value from data. And data is that oil that every organization wants to reap benefits out of. So Google is totally committed to that solutions that have already been in market for a long time, which were being used internally at Google, and made it available for customers also to use that and have same level of business competencies as well. Security is one of the primary aspect of the Google technology, and we hear day in, day out that there has to be a balance between the flexibility and the security that you really want to provide when it comes to your customers, your internal stakeholders, and everywhere. So Google provides that best-in-class security for managing the data. You call it two-step authentication. You call it providing security sandbox solutions for across multiple places. So every time you go to you log into Gmail from a new location, it gives you an email saying that, hey, this is not the usual location that you try and log in every time. And that uses AI and ML capabilities at the back end to prevent millions and trillions of attacks happening every day and in a month. To protect your information remains with you. Google Cloud's privacy practices are audited against international standards, which I'll talk about a little more in the coming slides. Meet internal privacy and external regulatory compliance. I think this is one of the key areas that any BFSI customer would look at, and Google is all compliant to those areas as well to make sure that you meet your regulatory compliance to do the business in a smooth fashion. One Google, like I said, Google provides multiple solutions at one place to make sure that you don't have to run around multiple vendors to manage solutions. You call it from pay to Chromebooks to search app, apply that technology for just one organization at multiple layers within the organization. So Google is serving billions of users using build engaging digital interactions with your customers, and you can just have one solution around it. And these are the three primary products that is helping customers drive that digital transformation on the lines of productivity platform in Google Workspace, endpoint solution in Chrome Enterprise, and distributed infrastructure as a service in the Google Cloud Platform ecosystem. Google Workspace is that tool which helps organizations reimagine their work by not using traditional ways of attaching emails back and forth and sharing the information, because today we are working as teams, but seldom our applications are working as teams. So Google Workspace provides you that ecosystem wherein it's a much more collaborative ecosystem to help your users collaborate much more faster, and especially with remote working or hybrid working scenarios, it is much more easier to get the information shared on a real-time basis rather than waiting for the latest update to come up at the end of the day and things like those. So across multiple pillars of Workspace to connect, you have multiple products like Gmail, Google Chat, Google Meet for video conferencing as an organization enterprise video conferencing solution. On the create side, you can create doc sheets and slides, which helps you collaborate and multiple people working on the same document at the same time across multiple devices that users use. and to access your data from Google Drive. So even if you have stored this file on your Google Drive, no matter which device you are using, you can just pick and choose any device which is connected to the internet and start working from there. And Cloud Search brings that search, Google search capability in the whole ecosystem that the users use. And on the control side, which is the most important aspect for any CIO or IT admins to manage, is to control what kind of access levels people have, what kind of devices that they're using, and how do you manage that identities of the user in that organization. And Chrome Enterprise is another area where Chromebooks can be a game changer for organizations looking at deploying faster devices at a scale with centralized control and not relying on local network controls to control their hardware accessibility. And this is where it's number 2 OS in the world now, where you can secure all these devices centrally from one admin console and apply those policies and updates which users have to abide by whichever network they connect to, and brings in a tamper-proof device ecosystem in the organization. And this is one more interesting area where Google is investing a lot, is on the lines of giving employees the flexibility to create their own apps so that they can transform their digital journey from that traditional pen and paper to a much more better automated workflow ecosystem. So Google has come up with a solution called as AppSheet, which is a no-code application development platform, and that helps you create an application without even writing a single line of code. And that's a game changer, because today people depend upon Google Sheets or Excels to create their to store their information, and depend on teams to actually add more value on that information that's already stored. So here, that whole process of digitizing that, creating in an app-based ecosystem, is just done using that same custom platform, which is AppSheet, and you don't have to rely on developers to kind of do that. And that becomes much more easier. The time to roll out an application is much more faster. For example, a simple use case could be if, let's say, your organization would have had vaccination drives. So it would have been very easy to create an application which could capture all the nitty-gritties of managing that whole vaccination drive across thousands of employees that you have in the organization, without even writing a single line of code. And that's where the real digitalization comes up, using AppSheet ecosystem. With this, I think I've crossed my time limit as well. So I would like to end, and really appreciate your time, and thank you for listening me. And if there are questions, I'm all ears.